You've no doubt heard about monkeypox. Right now, there are more than a dozen cases in the U.S., but scientists are worried it could spread. News 4's Ashley Moss talked to local experts to find out if Oklahoma is ready. Ashley.
That's right. As of Tuesday, there were 18 cases confirmed in the U.S. Those experts telling me today, while we can rule out a pandemic for now, those cases are on the rise, and it's important to remain vigilant.
One thing that's important to understand is that this is not exactly like coronavirus.
As images of that unsightly looking rash make their rounds, local experts telling News 4 no need for pandemic panic yet.
But it can be contacted by clothing, bedwear, bed sheets, anything where the person's sores touched that can be communicable.
The Centers for Disease Control closely tracking those cases of monkeypox that have been recently reported in several countries that don't normally have monkeypox activity, including the United States. 18 cases throughout the country as of Tuesday.
There's only been a few cases here in the United States, and a very heavy investigation of those cases have indicated a lot of them have had exposure overseas or have had travel history or have had contact with somebody who had one of those risk factors.
Experts saying for now, the risk to the public stateside are low, but watch out, especially if you've been out of the country.
Now, we just have to be vigilant, and we have to recognize, our society is somewhat fragile. The way we exist now, the way we travel, the way we interact in mass crowds.
And if health providers suspect monkeypox in the state, experts say they're ready.
We have a plan to get that person tested and to make sure that we protect those contacts around them and the individuals in the community.
Now, experts say if you've traveled out of the country or have been in close contact with someone who has, contact your local health provider to get tested.